Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this makeup look inspired by the TV show Euphoria. I absolutely love all the colour, diamantes and pearls that they use on the show. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first going in with this pink shadow from the Morphe 35B shadow palette, and I'm using that as my transition shade in the crease. Next, taking this shade here and applying that to the crease again, just to start creating some depth to the eye. Then going back over top with that pink shadow just to create that smooth blend. I then took an eye base and carved out the eyelid shape that I want to apply shimmer shadow on top of. I feel like this makes the whole shades and everything that we're going to add on top pop more, and it also makes it look really nice and tidy. After that, I took this gorgeous shimmer shade and applied it on top of the carved out area. And then applied this shade to the inner part of the eye to add another pop of colour. I then went back over top with that pink shadow just to make sure everything was nice and smooth. I then took the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner and used that to create a winged liner effect. So I start by taking that across the eyelid first, then winging it up out to the outer corner and back down, joining it with that first liner that we applied. So this part did go out of focus, so I'm really sorry about that, but I'm sure that you can see what I'm doing as I'm taking the darkest shadow on top of the liner just to create that smokiness in the outer corner. Then going in with a deep purple shade just on top of that, just to make sure there's a little blend in between each colour. So I'm then going in with concealer and sharpening up that winged eyeliner. So I trace that up and along the bottom, and it just makes it look nice and tidy and put together. Then going in with the pink shadow again, just to keep that colour nice and strong on top. Next I took the MAC Cosmetics Extreme Dimension 3D Mascara to my top lashes. I absolutely love this mascara as it really thickens up your lashes. I then applied lashes on top from Unicorn Cosmetics in the style Not Basic. Then going on to the bottom lash line, I took the pink shadow underneath first. Then following with that purple shade, and then the black closest to the lash line. I also use whatever is left on the brush just to blend it out and soften it a little. After that, I took the MAC Cosmetics Technakohl Liner to the waterline, and this just brings everything all together and makes sure there's no space in between any liner or lashes. And then using that same mascara again onto the bottom lashes. So you can totally leave this look the way it is, but I really wanted to turn this look into something Euphoria inspired. So I take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Pyro and apply that to the brow bone and under the waterline. So I'm not really being careful where it goes. I want it to look messy and kind of lived in. Then taking some pearls and jewels and diamantes, and I'm applying this with the duo eyelash glue. This really makes them stick exactly where you want, and it makes them stay in place all day. I love adding diamantes and pearls to makeup looks. I feel like it makes them come to life a little bit more and makes them stand out, especially when I do the colourful looks. Then onto lips, I use the Collection lip liner in the shade Cappuccino. And for lipstick, I use the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. So I couldn't not use highlighter to finish off this look, so I took the MAC Cosmetics Skin Finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. So this was perfect for this look as it was nice and glowy and smooth on the skin. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you would like to see from me. Also, remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.